Welcome to the PPP lab. Point-to-point protocol is in very popular use all over the internet and by many thousands of companies. In this lab you're going to learn how to configure PPP and PPP authentication chat between two routers. Welcome to the PPP lab. We're going to have a serial connection again between router A and router B. This time we're going to use PPP as the encapsulation type, and we're going to have PPP authentication chap to verify the username and the password. Once the username and password has been authenticated on the router, the connection will be permitted. It's important to note that we have to add the correct username and password in order for router B to connect to router A and vice versa. The usernames and passwords are case sensitive, so we need router with a capital R and then a capital A straight after, and the same when we configure router A's connection to permit router B. We're configuring a static route, so router A can connect to router B, and it'll be the same on router B. So we can verify IP connectivity between router A and router B. Now we need to change the encapsulation to PPP. The default encapsulation type on Cisco serial interfaces is HDLC. We'll see the serial line go down now. The line protocol is down because one side has used PPP, router B is still using HDLC. And we can see the encapsulation type is now PPP when we type the show interface serial 0/0. We're going to turn on a debug PPP packet. And we can see the PPP packets passing from the router. We've shut the interface. We're going to debug PPP negotiation. The debugs will go fairly quickly as soon as we no-shut the interface. And as stated, the PPP debugs do scroll up the screen very quickly. You can capture debug output to a logging buffer. You can see the authenticating phase. In the debug you can see the authentication taking place, and there's other debug messages verifying that the username and password has been accepted.